Sea star, starfish. Sea stars have 5 arms shaped like a star. They crawl slowly on the sea floor. Sea cucumber. They look like soft, squishy tubes. Sea cucumbers clean the ocean by eating sand and waste. Sand dollar. Sand dollars are flat and round like coins. They hide under the sand to stay safe. Sea urchin. Sea urchins are round with sharp spines. They roll slowly and eat algae on rocks. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs borrow empty shells to live in. When they grow, they find a bigger shell. Horseshoe crab. They have hard shells shaped like helmets. Horseshoe crabs have been on Earth for millions of years. Lobster. Lobsters have big claws and long antennae. They hide under rocks during the day. Shrimp. Shrimp are small with long legs. They clean up tiny food pieces from the sea floor. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms with suckers. They can change color to hide from predators. Squid. Squids are fast swimmers with long bodies. They squirt ink when scared. Sea anemone. Sea anemones look like colorful flowers. They wave their tentacles to catch food. Clam. Clams live inside hard shells. They dig into the sand and filter water for food. Mussel. Mussels stick to rocks with strong threads. They open their shells to eat tiny plankton. Oyster. Oysters live in groups called reefs. Sometimes they make pearls inside their shells. Scallop. Scallops can clap their shells to swim. Their shells are round and beautiful. Sea sponge. Sea sponges look like holes in rocks. They soak up water and filter tiny food. Tube worm. Tube worms live in tall white tubes. They wave red plumes to catch food near vents. Bristle worm. Bristle worms have many legs with bristles. They crawl around the sand looking for food. Sea slug. Sea slugs are colorful and soft. Some look like bright flowers on the ocean floor. Nudibranch. Nudibranches are special sea slugs. They have bright colors to warn predators not to eat them. Flatfish. Flatfish lie flat on the sand. Both their eyes are on one side of their head. Flounder. Flounders are flat fish with spotted skin. They blend in with the sand to hide. Halibut. Halibuts are big flat fish. They rest on the bottom and wait for food to swim by. Skate. Skates look like stingrays, but smaller. They have flat bodies and long tails. Stingray. Stingrays glide like kites on the seafloor. They have stingers on their tails for defense. Manta ray. Manta rays are giant gentle rays. They flap their fins like wings to swim. Electric ray. Electric rays can make electricity. They use shocks to protect themselves. Goby fish. Goby fish are tiny fish that live near sand. They often share burrows with shrimp. Anglerfish. Anglerfish live deep on the seafloor. They have glowing lights to attract prey. Lanternfish. Lanternfish shine with little lights. They swim up at night, but rest deeper during the day. Gulper eel. Gulper eels have huge mouths. They can swallow prey much bigger than themselves. Hagfish. Hagfish are slimy and eel-like. They make sticky slime to escape predators. Sea snail. Sea snails crawl slowly with a shell. They leave trails in the sand. Conch. Conchs have spiral shells with bright colors. They crawl using a strong foot. Whelk. Whelks have pointy shells. They drill holes in other shells to eat inside. Cockle. Cockles are round clams. They bury themselves in sand with little feet. Razor clam. Razor clams have long, thin shells. They dig very fast into wet sand. Sea pen. Sea pens look like feathers standing in the sand. They glow softly at night. Brittle star. Brittle stars have skinny arms. They can break off an arm to escape danger. Basket star. Basket stars have arms like branches. At night, they spread arms to catch food.